what did you put in the carrots?
So I grabbed some baby carrots, put them into a plastic bag, and then added some agave sauce and coconut sugar. Shook it up, let it marinate for a little bit until this heated up, and now I'm gonna cook it for about 60 minutes as it sous vides the vegetable like we're gonna do for corn and asparagus as well. With the corn, I just added a little bit of chili powder with water so it would catch onto the corn and flavor it. And the same thing with the asparagus. I used a little bit of garlic salt and black pepper.
Gosh, these smell so good. Oh my gosh, the bell pepper, the sauce. Sorry for my crazy hair. Natural. Berkeley, is it so good? You love carrots? Do you love tofu?
Tofu.
You want more tofu?
Yeah.
Okay. I just have to say that this sauce is the sauce. This sauce that's all over the veggies. Here's the man.
I am the sauce.
So good. Is that corn? What are you doing, silly? Okay. Is your food so good?